Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Chris with WooCurve, and I've got something really exciting to share with you today. Now, our product, Handsome Checkout, is a product that lets you create these beautiful, gorgeous checkout pages for WooCommerce, and it is getting a huge update. And the update is available now. If you already own it, then this video is going to help you kind of see what all you're getting, and if you don't own it, this video is going to help you make that decision. So I'm not gonna kind of dilly dally here. I'm just gonna dive right in because I'm excited to share it with you. So we've added, I mean, just a ton of new features. So many of our beta testers have sent in feature request after feature request, and so this first big update represents sort of the top requests that have come in. And I think there's really no better way to go over them other than just to show you. So I'm here in our test site right now, and I'm just going to go into one of the templates. And these are just some mock products that I have up in here. So the first thing you're going to notice is that we've added the feature called the order bump. Now, the order bump is something that goes on the checkout page that lets you let your customer add something to their order before they check out. And to enable that, you simply check that right there. You select the product, and then here you can add whatever text you want. So this is the label, this is the highlighted text. I'm going to show you what all this looks like here in just a second. And then this is the order bump description. So let's just take a look and see what the actual order bump looks like. All right, and this is also one of our new templates that I'm going to show you. But if you come down here, you see here's the order bump right there, and here is the text that we chose, and I can check that box and it adds the price. I can uncheck it and it takes it back off. So this is a great way to increase the average order value of your shopping cart. Now, the other thing I want to mention, we've got some new templates. So you'll recognize these two right off the bat, but we've also added this one, Marketing Pro and the Minimalist. And the Marketing Pro is this one that we have right here. It's still 2-column. You can add the different testimonials. We don't have a logo displaying here just yet, but you can put your logo here, no problem. On the Minimalist, I'm just going to make that switch over so you can see that one. Make an update. All right, let me refresh this page. Yeah, so here the primary color we're using is green, still 2-column, and it's a little bit wider on the left side, and you can see the order bump is still there. Just not as much going on in this one, so and the image is smaller too, so that's why we call it the Minimalist. But I'm going to switch back to the Marketing Pro template. I'm going to show you what else we have going on in this update. Okay, so there's the order bump, there's the templates. Okay, all this should look familiar to you. One thing we added was the ability, if you do have a coupon and you want to add that to your checkout page, you can just check that box right there, and you'll have an option for your customer to enter a coupon. And obviously, we keep that off if you don't have one, so that you can reduce abandon rate on your checkout page. This is another big one right here, order details. So what this is going to do is going to display the order details of everything that is being purchased by your customer. So you could set it up to where you've got a bundle of products that they're buying. And here we've just got the belt. But let's see. You can display the order details. You can also hide the order total. So if you're showing the order details, you might not want to show the order total above the buy button. And just let me show you. Let me change this to order today. So make that change. And then, okay. So here are order details. If I was checking out with a couple belts or I had more than one product, it's going to show that right there. And then this is the, what do we call it? The order total. So as you can see, you might want the option to not show the total here if you're showing it here. And to make that change, you can just click that and we'll update it. And then let me refresh this so you can see it. So there's that. And then that's removed and you can move forward with your checkout page. So let's see, keep going down here. I'm going to show you some other updates we've made. Testimonials are still the same, so you can add testimonials here. You can add an image, come up with your testimonial title here, what others are saying. But check this out. I'm just going to go through, and we're calling this trust points. So these are the areas of where you're going to offer a like your guarantee. So what's your return policy? What is your privacy policy? Any kind of language like that. I took those out, so I just want you to see what it looks like without them. Okay, let me refresh it. So it's these right here is your guarantee. All right, so those are all gone, and one of the things that we do is we actually make it easy for you to fill these in by default. So you could just go, fill in the default points. And here we've got a money back guarantee. You can change this copy. Obviously, this is about your privacy. And then if you want to add something about your information is secure. And here you can also add an image. So money back guarantee. If you want to add an image. For this one, you can do that. If you want to do some kind of lock or some kind of other image for these two, you can select that, or you can go with no image. It's up to you. And then you can add another trust point if you want. So, and I'm just going to remove that. So that's a pretty cool feature. Custom CSS is there. We added a custom JavaScript area. So this is, you could put in different script language, or your Facebook pixel analytics code can go in here. Let me go ahead and update this. I've just got a couple more things I want to show you, and I'm kind of just moving through these quickly so that you can kind of see how much we've put into this update. Really excited to get it out. So these trust points should show up here. Cool, there they are. And the other thing, and this is something I don't know that a lot of people notice. We didn't make a big deal about it, but these are all mobile responsive. So when somebody pulls it up on a phone, it's going to look beautiful. It's going to make the checkout process just really easy and smooth. So all the templates are mobile responsive. And then the last thing that I'm going to show you is actually, so inside of the settings page of Handsome Checkout, you can actually make one of our templates your default checkout page. Okay, so this would mean that somebody checks out from your WooCommerce store, and you can actually use one of our templates for that experience without having to do any coding or anything. And so all you have to do there, if you want to make it your default checkout page, you come in here to settings, and right in here you choose your template, and then you save those changes, and then that template that we have for that test product going forward will be the template that is now your default WooCommerce checkout page. So, as you can see, a lot of updates in this one. We're still working on some others. Look forward to telling you about that soon. But we wanted to go ahead and get this out because these are ready to roll, especially that order bump. I've had a lot of people asking for that one. And we're going to keep making this thing better. We're adding new templates. We've got other features coming. I'm not going to talk about those yet, but I think that this update here, as you can see, we've been really busy making this, just making this a very conversion focused, helpful product for your business, and really excited to get it out to you today. And if you have any questions, just reach out, support@woocurve.com. And the folks who are in the beta group, you're going to get this already at the reduced price that you paid earlier. So you don't have to do anything. It's coming to you. If you haven't purchased yet, we are going to be rolling this out to the general public. But because, if you're on our list, which if you're seeing this, you are, we can still offer you a discounted price from what we're going to put to the general public. But we're probably going to be going out marketing this and selling it in the next 7 to 10 days. So if you want to get in on the lowest price possible, if this video is still up and you're watching it, you need to hop on it now, because the price is going to be going up once we roll this out to the general public. So as a subscriber, a member of our list, you get access first, and I encourage you to take advantage of it. All right, guys, have a great day, and we'll talk later.